I got the highest rate. So my guy's like wondering, you said 8 hours work and I checked that you only work 8 hours. And then you got the highest rating. I designed it. Nowadays you got wireless, design wireless networks. So my job was to help them out and ramp it fast.
Number, this is a number. I mean, these are numbers are
I will ask you a question.
difficult to think of in Sweden.
Tom.
Yeah.
If there is a building and in one floor, how many people have you seen working? The maximum number of people working is one floor.
On like a typical office building?
Uh-huh.
I don't know, a couple hundred tops.
Couple of hundreds.
I mean, that's about the capacity of the floor that we have here. A couple hundred cubes in offices.
What? There is a building. It's fantastic. I designed a letter for what technology to choose from to access that. And my friend was there. He said, okay, this portion we need to discuss with this particular person. He's in the same floor. Okay. So he says he's the same floor, but this guy just get out of the tubing and then he's going to take the lift. He said, you said the same floor. So what? So just come with me. So he got down to the lift, went to the ground floor, the basement. He took his car, drove the car to the other end. He took another lift and went up. Tom, did you hear that?
He took a lift to cross floors.
Not floors.
The car as well.
He went down to the basement, took the car, went to the other side of the building, took the lift, went back to the same floor.
Oh, really? He took a car to cross the
You know
building.
how many people sit in the same floor? Can you imagine?
It must be thousands.
10,000.
Oh my goodness.
I said, not possible, not possible. Raja, everybody thinks I'm fool. I know there are 10,000 people, man. Please believe me.
Hey, I know that when I worked at IBM in the RTP office, you could actually walk 1 mile and not leave the building. You could walk an actual mile. They had a manufacturing floor that was connected to all the offices and the cafeterias, and you could walk a mile. Amazing. So I could imagine having to take a car to see somebody on the other side.
What is the size of Manhattan and Tokyo? Tokyo is 18 times bigger than Manhattan.
Yeah, 18 times.
You see bikes? I was watching bikes more than girls. My CEO was saying, Raja, there are so many beautiful girls. Why are you looking at that bike? Because I can see beautiful girls everywhere, but I don't see bikes like this everywhere. So every bike is a fucking custom made, man.
Yeah.
You cannot see the same bike twice. Can you imagine something like that?
I can't imagine how these guys are riding that bus. They're just hanging onto the outside. Wow.
Every day what I do, I take photographs of bike, I send it to my friends. Fuck, Raja, get some more, get some more. It's so nice. It's all custom made. They go tell what I want. And then what they do, if there is something wrong with the bike, right? They don't repair it.
Yeah.
They just drop it on the road and then go.
It's cheap or what?
And I don't know, some reason. And then the government comes, collect all the bikes and they do auction.